Hi everybody, Lance the Option Teacher here. This video I'm going to go over a new support and resistance system that Phil in the Trade Lab has implemented. We're going to be doing a live stream on this on Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. This is a really good service so far. It shows very dynamic support and resistance levels with a lot of statistical data. You're going to see a video that Phil's made recently, and I'll show you some possible trades with it. Get to this. Okay.
Be a little taste today of what the SRX levels did. So this isn't going to be a full in-depth video on how all this stuff works and our rules for entry and exit. All of that is going to come up in the webinar on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern on Russell's YouTube channel. So make sure you're available for that, or you can catch that on replay shortly after we finish the live webinar. I think it takes 15 minutes or so maybe before the replay is available. We're also going to go over some Black Friday deals for SPY ATM and our SPX credit spread service, SPX Premium. So make sure you're around for that, or you can catch that replay as soon as possible so you can take part in some of those Black Friday deals. So yeah, again, just a taste of what this system can really do. You can see 3 moves here. And I was in all 3 of these moves. I took a small piece. Now, I have a job where I am on the road part of the day, so I can't monitor trades. There's probably ways of handling all this stuff without monitoring, but with it being so new, I prefer to sit and watch the charts when I take these. And again, I'm not able to do that all the time. Wasn't able to do that today, so I just took a small piece of each of these moves, but still really good size on the little chunks that I was able to get. All right, so the first move that we saw was right here. I got in at 10.15 and I got out at 10.20, so I only took this small portion here, and that took me from 201 to 255, and the rules would have us actually going somewhere in here, and that would have taken you from 201 to 294 for a 46% gain. But I can show you, here's my actual trade, the 26.8%. Okay, now I got out of this one early. Mostly I was here at my desk, but I got out of it early just because SPY ATM was coming out at 10:30, and I wanted my mind clear for that trade. And SPY ATM signaled a bullish play today, but interesting enough, SRX saved me on this play as well, and I'll tell you why. So this is our 10:30 candle here. This is the open. Kind of hard to see because the red's in the red zone. I should probably change the color on that. So this is our entry here, and I knew we were in this zone. So I was hoping for a close above the zone, which we got, and then I was going to target up here. Now, SPY ATM was going to take profits just a little bit over this wick. We almost hit profit today. This wick didn't quite go high enough to get us out, but we were really close to hitting that profit target today. But my plan was to ride this even higher. So this would have been 20% here. I don't know what this would have been, 60, 70, 80% to ride it in here. And this is one of the things that it's going to take some time and some testing, but SRX has the it has the ability to potentially change our risk to reward ratio on our other services. So instead of taking 20% today, I would have been targeting something like 70 or 80%. Now, I did not take the full loss today because the system, the SRX system, showed me a bullish sign right here. We broke through this level, and there's some other stuff going on behind the scenes here that I'm not showing you guys. You'll have to tune into the webinar to learn how we use these levels. You can use them as support and resistance easily enough, but there's some extra confluences that we're looking at to make it a little bit more reliable. But you see, it does work as very good support and resistance. So something happened on this candle that told me, all right, we're probably going to go down. So I cut my ATM trade today right here, and that was a 20% loss instead of taking the full 40%. So you can see the power of SRX right here, that it could really change on a day like today, can really change the risk to reward. So I was looking at a 20% loss or like a 70 or 80% gain. So that is a much different risk to reward than we're used to. But I did stop out here on my ATM trade, and I switched over to the SRX play, and I was able to grab a piece of this. I just got in right here at 1050, got out at 1055 because I needed to get on the road. So I only took this small little portion, and it was 165 to 205. You can see it right here. That's 24% in 5 minutes, and this was a monster run. So the rules would have had you holding all the way through this, and that would have been 165 to $18, which is a 991% gain, which is massive. And we're talking at the money contracts here. If you went one contract out of the money or something, I mean, I don't even know what that number would be. It would be a lot larger, but I like to play at the money. So yeah, huge run. And this actually closed even higher. It closed at 2149, which is a 1200% gain. That's a huge trade. And then had another signal here, fire, and I was able to get in, where to get in? This got moved around a little bit. Sorry about that. So yeah, the signal was right here. I got in at 135, and I took profit somewhere right in here at 137. I made this a very, very quick play because we were below what I call our max range low. So I typically wouldn't even want to play a put down here because the system doesn't think we're going to go any lower, but I gave it a shot and I scalped it very fast. 257 to 301. Okay, that one's right here, just a quick 17%. But this one actually doubled. It went from 257 to $5.35 on a at the money 0 DTE put. And it actually closed at 661, so 157%. So yeah, 3 really, really good plays today. I was in all 3, grabbed a little piece. And again, this helped with my SPY ATM play as well. So can't wait to show you guys more about this on Tuesday at 7 o'clock. So stay tuned.
All right, so what I was doing was looking through TradingView today, and it was very similar. Buy a put, this blue line is an 8 EMA, which we'll talk more about in the live webinar. But essentially, we had a candle below the 8 EMA. We hit the resistance level that's provided each day, and then you can just buy a put, and there was really nothing to stop you out on the trade. We will go over in the live stream different opportunities to take profits and stop losses, but this could have been a potential buy, and the potential sell was at the previous low of the previous day. So really interesting trade and really interesting service that we have coming out. I've been using it on a few trades just to test it out. We're in beta testing. It should be ready to go next week. And if you're interested, join the live stream on Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Link is in the description down below. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified when the live stream happens. Again, Lance, the option teacher here. This is a really exciting service that I plan on using and helping out others with. So if you're interested, join the live stream, and I'll see you guys on the next one.